If you've ever opened File Explorer and noticed OneDrive sitting under Quick Access, and you want to clean that sidebar up, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to unpin OneDrive from Quick Access in just a few clicks, and I'll also explain what this does and does not change, so you don't accidentally remove anything important. This is a quick Windows tip, but it can make File Explorer feel a lot more organized and much easier to use. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open File Explorer. You can do that by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer opens, look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll see your common locations, including Quick Access, this PC, and possibly OneDrive. Under Quick Access, find the OneDrive folder shortcut. In many cases, OneDrive gets pinned there automatically, and if you use other folders more often, it can take up space in the list. Now right-click on the OneDrive folder. When you do that, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Unpin from Quick Access. That's the key step. As soon as you click it, the shortcut will disappear from the Quick Access section in the sidebar. And that's it. You've successfully removed OneDrive from Quick Access. Now here's the important part. This does not delete OneDrive, and it does not stop syncing. It only removes the shortcut from the Quick Access area. Microsoft OneDrive will still be available in File Explorer, and it will continue working normally in the background. So if your goal was just to declutter File Explorer, you're completely safe. If you ever change your mind later, you can still access OneDrive through File Explorer and pin it again if needed. This is a simple customization, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a cleaner workspace or if you have other folders you want to keep closer at hand. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Windows tips, beginner-friendly tutorials, and practical how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.